Natin ang follow-up para doon sa sagot ni Alden, tapos si Ding Dong sasagot. Who approach who para maging ano kayo sa ambassador or ano? And anong unan yung naramdaman nung kinukuha kayo na maging ganito? Alden, ikaw.
Yun na po, sabi ko kanina, got a letter po from the board signed by all the board of trustees na the stage. And then, syempre po nakaisip ako na parang, first there's a question, bakit ako? Bakit ako yung hindi ko? Bakit hindi ko sila? So, parang, but I think siguro po ganun eh, parang si Lord po, tinatawag po tayo sa mga ibang klase sa pagkakataon ng klase ng businesses. And nasa sa akin po yun kung lalagawin natin yung ganit. So ako, parang hindi dahil mind. And with the living campaign that I have right now in my life, sabi ko, it's a great opportunity to be part of this institution that has been here for 50 years. Basically, the bottom line is really helping people. So I think that's what made me say yes to be part of the board. Thank you.
Thank you, Alden.